of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kishona Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wedderburn-Goodison. Been training in Jamaica, European under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in.
Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe and even comment. So guys, in today's clip you're going to watch a race. When speed meets history, the world takes notice. Jamaica's Alana Reid just stormed the track and proved why she is one of the fastest rising stars in sprinting. In the women's 100 meters, she didn't just win, she dominated, leaving her rivals in the dust. So guys, let's watch the race and come back for more. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so.
8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wedderburn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships.
Set.
Good start from Alana Reid, who seems to hold the lead slightly at the moment. Can she maintain that? Hodge battling to get back on terms. Wedderburn-Goodison trying to get up there. Hodge could not get back to Alana Reid, who took it on the line. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles for Kishona Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. 4th for Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, and Jinkui came up for 5th, Kadiri in 6th. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team. Finished 5th in Paris. I'm sure has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships.
That was 2016 now bring that
Hodge calmly walking around to make their way around for the photos first.
years ago. And now, shot at
Kenyatta Great of the British Virgin Islands added to the field. She'll go in lane 9. Final of the under-20 girls 100 meters.
Alana Reid, the outstanding 10-9-2 winner of the Boys and Girls Championships in Jamaica. Another outstanding favorite, lines up in lane number 5.
Confirmation of the list.
Have qualified comfortably. Frederick looking very strong at the end of her races. She's 4.95, lane number 4 from Trinidad and Tobago.
Love the look of Frederick. Can't sleep on her. But Alana Reid is class.
In the field too, Chantalia Dorset, second in the under-17s last year to Hodge, has made it to the final under 20 in her first year in the group.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Lane 4. Sana Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago. 11:52 to get into this final. Second fastest, 11:54. Alana Reid in her semi-final, but she was cruising from about 50 meters out.
That was a stroll. She'll go faster now in the final.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Off they go. Alana Reid got up well for Jamaica. Reid goes to the front. Alana Reid in control. Alexis James tries to go with her. She can't. Alana Reid blows the field away. 10:94 on the clock. 11:17 it has been adjusted to. Alana Reid produces a super performance. And outside of the controversial record on the books, 11:03 by Aileen Bailey and Tamika Clark, this is the fastest we've seen electronically timed in the history of the Caribbean Games. Alana Reid strikes gold. Jamaica finishes 1-2.
This is a super season for Alana Reid. Big double at Boys and Girls Championships, and here on Preston and Horrid in the 100 final. James
in the hurdles, now here in the finals of the 100 meters at Champs.
As reported and suspected, lane 4 empty, no Serena Cole. Alana Reid, she's from Heidel, she goes in lane 5.
Favorite in this event, 11.16 seconds.
Time she set in the semis, her new PB.
This is Tony and Forbes, she's from Edwin Allen, she goes in lane 6.
Edwin Allen's #1 representative here this evening, behind, because Serena Cole is not there. She ran 11:51 to get here.
From Morosca Road to the National Stadium, Michaela Gardner here representing for Woolmans.
Consistent performer over the years for Woolmans High School, 11.59 seconds.
Sweet sprinter, Kamaria Knight, she is from St. Catherine.
Another opportunity for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, to celebrate with St. Catherine. 11:55 is the time that young Knight took to get to this final. So, Spencer, we have lost Serena Cole. We still have Alana Reid. We still have the potential, with the conditions being excellent, for sub-11, but certainly breaking Veronica Campbell's record of 11:13.
Again, I think you're spot on, Bruce, because when we looked at Alana Reid doing 11.16 to finish 300ths of a second outside the record in the semis, that tells you she is peaking at the right time. She is in prime time shape
And just
to
to
deliver
say,
something
Spencer,
special here again. Yes, Maurice?
less pressure can mean faster times.
Indeed. So Alana Reid, the big favorite in lane 5. Oh, how we would have loved to have seen the clash with Serena Cole, because it's one apiece between them at the moment. The set position. Off they go. It's a fabulous start by Alana Reid. Alexis James of Petersfield gives chase, but Alana Reid steps away from the pack, decimates the opposition. Stunning performance. 10.90. The flash time. Historic. Sumptuous. New champs record. New lifetime best. A 22-year-old record has been smashed.
But the last time I heard Bruce James say
Conditions are great ahead of a 100-meter race.
They were great. It was that girls' champs, boys and girls' champs. And the one race where the wind turned, as we look at Serena Cole, who has already done the long jump today. I have to tell you, Serena Cole at any other school than the blue and blue of Edwin Allen would be the overwhelming number one sprinter there. She did not even get through on the 100 meters at girls' champs this year. Because Tia and Tina were both there. But I have to tell you, Serena Cole has been less than a step behind them, David, in each of the races that they've run together, including at the Caribbean Trials.
Are you suggesting for a second, Bruce, that the World Junior Champion might lose tonight?
No, that's very difficult, especially since Brianna Liston has not declared and did not run in the heats. So I think Tina remains a favorite. I'm just saying Serena Cole is so close to the twins. There's Karika Hill on screen. Outstanding talent at Hydel. I mean, Coach Corey Bennett needs to be commended. He has built that program literally and figuratively from the ground up. 10 years ago, 15 years ago, Hydel was not a name that would be mentioned. Hydel has come as close as second in girls' champs. But for a couple of relay batons, and they have two ladies in this final.
And they do. And of course, they've played their part in the World Under-20 world record.
Both.
As well. Kirika Hill was a part of that team. In Nairobi. And then Brenna Liston, a part of that Carifta team.
It's interesting
is it a Carifta record, though, David?
It is a Carifta record.
It's not a world record, though.
It's a Jamaican record, so we can boast
Jamaica
that the Jamaica junior record is faster than the world record.
Wait, no, which happens to be a Jamaican record as well, though.
Yes.
Right, so we're...
Just the requirements are different for records to be ratified.
Ratified, yeah. And it was tough on the ladies. That's Michaela Hazley, threatened for a moment in the semi-final against Tia and Tina.
To make that top six.
And here now, Tina Clayton from Edwin Allen.
World Under-20 champion from last year and plans to do it again this year in Cali. She won the girls' championship 100 meters, Tina Clayton of Edwin Allen.
This young lady generally gets a fantastic start. Alana Reid from Hydel.
Great over 200 meters. She's looking to maybe utilize her speed endurance and come through in this one.
Just a brilliant came in at 11.49. Easing down, Serena Cole.
A businesswoman. I like Serena Cole a lot. A long jumper and a sprinter at Edwin Allen. She ran 11.24 an hour ago to get into this final and then went on to get the long jump going on. Look for Serena Cole to be in the frame.
It's gone 11-1 this season. Now Kirika Hill, also of Hydel.
No hurdles tonight, but this event might be a big hurdle for her. She's going to go out there and do her best, try to make that top 2 spot.
Age group record holder as well, Kirika Hill. And then in lane 7, don't know how often she will end up in lane 7. Tia Clayton.
11.56 is the time that she jogged to get here. She knows she can finish in the top 2. Only 2 go to represent us in the 100 meters at the World Junior Champs.
And then from Petersfield, out there in West, Alexis James.
Westmoreland's best, Alexis James, 11.57. Her time coming in, she's way faster than that.
The final of the Under-20 girls 100 meters.
Am I allowed to ask for a sub-11, Spencer, or should I not ask for a sub-11?
I think you can, because the conditions appear conducive. This is a sumptuous lineup. I think Serena Cole will be very, very dangerous here. Tina Clayton, the world Under-20 champion, can't rule that out and underestimate her chances. She knows how to produce the goods on the big stage. Quality lineup assembled. Hazley, Williams, Clayton, Reid, Cole, Hill, Clayton, and James. Set. Very go. Clean start. Great start by Tina Clayton, the world under 20 champion. The rest will have to do their running from behind. Tina Clayton, Serena Cole is coming forward, but Tina Clayton, the world under 20 champion, is a national junior champion. 10.97. That's the unofficial time. That equals the national junior record. We wait for the official time. Another stunning performance by Tina Clayton. The class act coming good when it matters most.
Welcome back once again, guys. I hope you have all watched the whole race, and it has been a very interesting race. From the explosive start to her blazing finish, Alana Reid showed the perfect blend of power and technique. Every stride pushed her ahead, and by the halfway mark it was clear nobody could stop her. Her focus, her drive, and her electrifying pace set the track on fire. As she crossed the line with authority, this wasn't just another victory, it was a warning to the sprint world. Jamaica has found its next sprint queen, and according to the Jamaican history of sprint, Jamaica is known as the home of sprinters, and it is always producing the best of the best sprinters. And Alana Reid, being one of the youngest sprinters, she is destroying other countries. She's dominating so fast, and we all know Jamaica has a lot of sprinters who are well known and who have broke many records that nobody has ever broken. And we all know of Usain Bolt, who is a Jamaican sprinter and has been always breaking records. Like people like Sherika Jackson, Shillian Fraser Price, they are the most known sprinters in Jamaica, but break records that nobody has ever broken. They make their country dominate, and Jamaica is known for their sprinting powerhouses. Jamaica is known for the best sprinters they have, because these people are growing up to want to be like Usain Bolt. They growing up to want to be like Sherika Jackson, Shellyanne Fraser. They are looking up to some people. They want to be like these sprinters. That's why Jamaica is always raising good and the best sprinters in the world. And Alana Reid has once again reminded us why Jamaica continues to dominate sprinting. With performances like this, the future of women's track work looks unstoppable. The future of Jamaican sprinters looks alive. The future of Jamaican sprinters is bright, because these people are always dominating. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary Jamaican sprinting moments.